Hello students, this is Indrani ma'am from Rasayan. In this lecture, I am going to explain order of basic strength of some compounds. Three series are given. Now this is ammonia. Here nitrogen is having lone pair. This is amine. Nitrogen is having lone pair, and this is also amine. Nitrogen is having lone pair. Remember, in any compound, lone pair donating tendency or ability of the atom is called basic strength. So this lone pair can be donated, this lone pair can be donated, this lone pair also can be donated. So these are basic in nature. Now what is the order of basic strength? Remember, basic strength is directly proportional to plus I effect, means positive inductive effect, and inversely proportional to negative inductive effect, means minus I effect. Alkyl group, for example this methyl group, it is having positive inductive effect, plus I effect. Cl is having minus I effect. So it will give electron density in this direction. So here on nitrogen electron density will be increased, so basic strength will be increased. Here due to minus I effect, it will obstruct electron density in this direction, therefore electron density will be decreased on nitrogen and electrons are less available for donation. So basic strength will decrease. And since here no such group is present adjacent to this nitrogen, so its basic strength will be in between these two. Therefore basic strength order of these compounds is this. This is decreasing order of basic strength. Now see, these are alcohols. Oxygen is having lone pair of electron and it can be donated. So we have to compare the basic strength of these compounds. Now see, this is isopropyl group. This carbon is secondary because with this carbon two more carbons are attached. So this carbon is secondary. This carbon is primary because with this carbon one more carbon is attached, and this is methyl group. Remember, these are having plus I effect. So these all will increase basic strength because here due to plus I effect electron density will be donated in this direction. So on oxygen electron density will be increased. So basic strength will be increased. We have seen basic strength is directly proportional to plus I effect. And note down, tertiary alkyl group is having higher plus I effect than secondary alkyl, then primary alkyl, then methyl. This is the order. Therefore, since this is secondary, this is primary and this is methyl group, therefore this group is having higher plus I effect than this group, and this group is having higher plus I effect than this group. Since plus I effect is directly proportional to basic strength, therefore order of basic strength is this. This is the decreasing order of basic strength. Now see, these are amine. Here nitrogen is having lone pair of electron which can be donated. We have to compare the basic strength. Now see, in this compound, this carbon is tertiary in nature because with this carbon three carbons are attached. This is tertiary butyl group. So this carbon is tertiary in nature. This is isopropyl. This carbon is 2 degree secondary because with this carbon two more carbons are attached, and since with this carbon one carbon is attached, therefore this carbon is primary. And we have seen tertiary alkyl group is having higher plus I effect than secondary, and secondary is having higher plus I effect than primary. And we know basic strength is directly proportional to plus I effect. Since this group is having higher plus I effect, therefore this compound is most basic. This alkyl group is having higher plus I effect than this. Therefore, basic strength of this compound is more than this compound. So this is the decreasing order of basic strength. In this video till this, if you like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.